Hohem iSteady MT2. First use. Unboxing and product list. Open the package and check the product list. In this tutorial, we will use the kit version as an example. Charging and reverse charging. Please fully charge iSteady MT2 before using it for the first time. Press the power button once. The OLED screen shows the battery level. It is recommended to use a 5V 2A charger. To connect the provided Type-A Type-C charging cable to charge iSteady MT2. iSteady MT2 supports reverse charging, allowing you to charge camera, mobile phone, and other devices through the Type-C power output port located on the tilt motor side. It also supports simultaneous charging while in usage. Preparation. Attach the tripod to the bottom of the iSteady MT2. iSteady MT2 has 3 motor lock switches, including pan-axis motor lock switch, roll-axis motor lock switch, tilt-axis motor lock switch. Before mounting a camera, please unfold the 3 arms and toggle the 3 motor lock switches to lock the 3 axes. Mounting and balancing a camera. Quick release plate and L bracket. Mount the camera onto the camera quick release plate and tighten the screw. Loosen the L bracket with the thumb screw wrench, which is magnetically attached on the L bracket. Attach the camera with the quick release plate onto the L bracket. Tighten the quick release plate latch. Align one side of the L bracket against the handle side of the camera, taking into account the camera's width. Then tighten the screw on the bottom firmly. The mounting base of iSteady MT2 features a latch and a safety lock. Use the latch to securely fasten the L bracket. Safety lock prevents the camera from falling off. Unlock the mount latch. Insert the camera assembly, including the quick release plate and L bracket, into the mount by sliding it along the slot. And lock the mount latch. Camera vertical video mode. Loosen the mount latch. Rotate the camera with L bracket 90 degrees to switch the vertical shooting mode. Insert the L bracket into the mount slot and lock the mount latch. The L bracket supports 2 vertical installation options. You can install it in 2 orientations based on your specific requirement. Insert it into the mount base in a vertical video mode position. Tighten the mount latch securely. Method 1. You can use the flip-out screen to view the composition while using a camera like Sony ZV-E10. Method 2. When in vertical shoot mode, you can attach accessories to the hot shoe facing outward while using a camera like Sony A7R4. Please adjust your camera lens to the desired focal length before balancing. Tilt-axis balancing. Vertical balancing of the tilt axis. Unlock the tilt axis. Rotate the tilt arm to make the camera lens point upward. Check the center of gravity. Loosen the vertical tilt lock. Move the camera forward and back until it can remain still and maintain a vertical balance with the ground. Once achieved, tighten the vertical tilt lock. Rotate the tilt arm to make the camera lens point forward. Check the center of gravity. Unlock the quick release plate latch. Move the camera assembly forward or backward until it comes to a stable and motionless position, aligning it parallel to the ground. Once achieved, lock the quick release plate latch. Roll axis balancing. Unlock the roll axis motor lock switch. Unlock the roll axis arm latch. Move the roll axis arm left and right until the camera remains relatively still. Lock the roll axis arm latch. Pan axis balancing. Unlock the pan motor lock switch. Hold and tilt the handle slightly. Check to make sure the camera is not left or right heavy. Unlock the pan axis arm latch. Move the pan arm along with the camera and the upper part of iSteady MT2 until the pan arm is approximately balanced. Then, lock the pan axis arm latch. Mounting and balancing a mobile phone. Phone quick release plate and L bracket. Mount the mobile phone on the phone quick release plate in the middle. Then attach them on the L bracket. Unlock the mount latch. Insert the phone assembly, including the quick release plate and L bracket. Insert the L bracket into the mount slot and lock the mount latch. Vertical video mode. Loosen the mount latch. Remove the phone and quick release plate as a whole while holding down the mount safety lock. Rotate the phone with L bracket 90 degrees to switch the vertical shooting mode. Insert the L bracket into the mount slot and lock the mount latch. Mobile phone balancing. Follow the same balancing steps as mirrorless camera. Please refer to the balancing instructions for mirrorless camera. Mounting and balancing an action camera. Some action cameras have a standard expansion port at the bottom for installation of an Arca switch quick release plate. In the case of the GoPro Hero 11, you will need to use an adapter to install the Arca switch quick release plate. Adapter and L bracket. Attach the action camera assembly onto the L bracket. Unlock the mount latch. Insert the action camera assembly, including the quick release plate and L bracket, into the mount by sliding it along the groove, and lock the mount latch. Vertical video mode. Loosen the mount latch. Remove the action camera and quick release plate as a whole while holding down the mount safety lock. Rotate the action camera with L bracket 90 degrees to switch to the vertical shooting mode. Insert the L bracket into the mount slot and lock the mount latch. Action camera balancing. Follow the same balancing steps as mirrorless camera. Please refer to the balancing instructions for mirrorless camera. Camera control and Bluetooth connection. Press and hold the power button to power on the gimbal. Camera cable control. Choose the corresponding control cable. Here we take Sony A7R4 as an example. The Type-C to multi-cable is suitable for Sony cameras. Connect to the Type-C end of the cable to the Type-C camera control port on iSteady MT2. Then you can control the camera shutter by using the shutter button on iSteady MT2. Pairing and clearing Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Select the device with the prefix MT2 in the device list. Tap on it to establish the connection. When the OLED screen displays this icon, it indicates that the Bluetooth connection has been established. To clear a previously connected Bluetooth device, push the zoom lever upwards, while simultaneously long pressing the M mode button for 5 seconds. When the OLED screen displays this icon, it means the Bluetooth connection has been cleared. Pairing GoPro action camera. Bluetooth pairing may vary slightly depending on the action camera model. Let's use the GoPro Hero 11 as an example. On your camera display, swipe down and swipe left. Tap Preferences. Tap on Wireless Connections. Select Wireless Connections. Select On. Return and select Connect Device. You can either select GoPro Quick App or the remote. The menu options may vary on different models. You can choose either one to proceed with the pairing process. Here we select GoPro Quick App as an example to put your action camera in pairing mode. Long press the M button on iSteady MT2 to enter the OLED submenu. Press the A button once to navigate to the camera Bluetooth pairing interface. Press once the M button. When the connection icon on the left side starts blinking, it indicates that the pairing process is in progress. Once the pairing is successful, the OLED screen will display tick mark to the right of the camera icon. If the pairing process takes longer than 60 seconds without finding a camera to pair with, the connection icon will stop blinking, indicating a failed pairing. To clear a paired camera, enter iSteady MT2 camera Bluetooth pairing interface. Use the joystick to navigate and select Unpair to remove the pairing. Then press the M button once to confirm the action. When tick marks appears, it indicates that the clearing process was successful. Button function and OLED display. Power button. Press and hold for 3 seconds to power on iSteady MT2. While the gimbal is powered on, double press to enter standby mode. Press once to exit standby mode. M button. Press once again to switch between the following working modes sequentially: PTF, L, POV, and PF. Press 3 times to enter ICP inception mode. Long press to enter or exit the OLED submenu. Joystick. Push up or down to make tilt rotation control. Push left or right to make pan rotation control. Trigger. Press and hold to enter sport mode. Press twice to recenter the gimbal. Press 3 times to reverse 180 degrees panning rotation. Double tap and then hold to quick switch to all lock mode. The operation methods and functionalities may vary slightly depending on the brand and model of the camera. Please check the camera compatibility list for detailed information on supported camera models. And make sure that the iSteady MT2 gimbal is successfully connected to the camera using the camera control cable. For mobile phone, it's only available in the Hohem Joy app or on the native camera app of certain standard protocol phones with Android 10.0 or later versions. Please ensure Bluetooth is connected. For details, please check the camera control compatibility list in Hohem Joy app. Let's use Sony A7R4 as an example. Zoom lever and shutter button. Push the zoom lever up or down to zoom in or zoom out. Half press the shutter button to make autofocus. Press and hold for 1 second to take a photo. Press once to start or stop recording. The following 2 features are only available in the Hohem Joy app or on the native camera app of certain standard protocol phones with Android 10.0 or later versions. Please ensure Bluetooth is connected. Multifunctional control wheel. Focus control. Rotate the wheel to adjust the sharpness and clarity of the image. Press twice to switch between focus and roll control. Roll control. Rotate the wheel to control the roll angle within a range of plus or minus 45 degrees. Long press to enable the fill light. Press 3 times CCT RGB switch. The on-off icon in the OLED screen's top left corner indicates whether the current mode is turned on or off. In CCT mode, press once the control wheel to select between adjusting the brightness or the color temperature. In the brightness mode, rotate the control wheel to adjust the brightness level. In the color temperature mode, Rotate the control wheel to adjust the color temperature. Press the control wheel 3 times to switch to RGB mode. In RGB mode, press once the control wheel to select between adjusting the color value or the brightness. When in the color value mode, rotate the control wheel to adjust the color. When in the brightness mode, rotate the control wheel to adjust the brightness level. AB motion button. To set the starting or ending points for a track, you can capture customized camera movements or create motion time-lapse. To set an A position point, move the axis to the starting position you desired via the joystick. Long press A button. It indicates that the A position has been successfully set after a confirmation sound. To set a B position point, move the axis to the ending position you desired via the joystick. Long press B button. It indicates that the B position has been successfully set after a confirmation sound. Capture a track shot from position A to position B. Press the A button once. iSteady MT2 will go back to A position quickly. Then press the B button twice to initiate a smooth and uniform rotation along the track towards the B position. Capture a track from position B to position A. Press the B button once. iSteady MT2 will go back to B position quickly. Then press the A button twice to initiate a smooth and uniform rotation along the track towards the A position. AI tracking. Installing the AI tracker, align the magnetic contact points on the bottom of the tracker with the corresponding contact points on the iSteady MT2. Enable the AI tracker. Slide the switch on the side of AI tracker to the on. The indicator light turns red and the fuel light flashes twice, indicating that the tracking device is successfully activated. Gesture control. Position your face and hand in front of the AI tracker simultaneously. Perform the OK hand gesture to activate AI tracker. Now the indicator light turns green. The tracking distance is within 5 meters. Perform the palm hand gesture to stop AI tracking. Now the indicator light turns red. Avoid getting too close to the AI camera lens while making hand gestures. Too far can also affect the AI recognition. Please ensure that the environment has sufficient lighting and perform the gestures accurately. Photo timer. By using this, please make sure your gimbal is paired with a mobile phone or camera. Make the gesture in 2 hands to activate the photo timer. After the indicator blinking for 3 seconds and turning to solid, it will automatically take the photo. While using a mobile phone or action camera, you can use this gesture to control taking a picture. Or stop recording. AI customized composition. If the framed subject cannot be centered on the phone or camera screen, or you want to customize the AI vision position to be tracked, make sure the gimbal and AI vision sensor are powered on. Whether the AI tracker is deactivated or activated, you can adjust the framing and composition according to your preferences. If the framed subject is not centered, take the gesture towards the AI vision sensor. The flashing green light indicates that the AI tracker is in custom framing mode. Move to the center position in the frame. Take the gesture towards the AI vision sensor again. The indicator will stop blinking. It indicates that the customized composition is successfully set. After that, the camera will track the human subject within the frame based on the selected framing. Handle control of AI tracker. When tracking other human subjects, you can use iSteady MT2 handle to start or stop the AI tracker or make customized composition. Step 1. Power on the gimbal and AI tracking sensor. Step 2. Let the subject make an OK gesture toward AI tracking sensor to confirm the tracking subject. Step 3. Press the M button twice to stop AI tracking. AI icon in OLED screen blinking slowly. AI indicator in green blinking slowly. Means you can make your customized composition now. Press the M button twice to reactivate the AI tracking sensor. After the M button confirming, both AI icon and AI indicator will stop blinking. Now the camera will follow the subject within the selected frame. App features. Hohem Joy app download. Search Hohem Joy in App Store or in Google Play, or scan the QR code to download our app. Use a mobile phone as an example. Enter the camera view in Hohem Joy app. Make sure the Bluetooth is connected to explore interesting features in the app. Setting. To set the gimbal parameters, camera parameters, and firmware update. AI tracking. You can choose whether face tracking or frame selected the object to make object tracking. Gesture control. In photo mode, show V-hand gesture with single hand to take a picture. In video mode, show V-hand gesture with single hand to start recording. Show high five hand gesture with single hand to end recording. Moment. You can choose the preferred video template. Click to start automatic camera movement. Please connect customer service for further information. Thanks for watching.